video, we learned how to create misty and snowy mountain in simple steps. Today we can learn the rest of paintings, how to paint a river and brick tree. And in the next step, I am using moist flat brush and picking some cobalt blue and apply it to the bottom of the canvas and cerulean blue to the center. This is the processing for the river water effect, and just I am adding a little bit of titanium white with cobalt blue and cerulean blue. Next, picking some sap green to the bottom of the hills for the grass and trees effect and using tapping techniques. Next, mix sap green with lemon yellow to the color mix and to make the lighter shade. And I am using here flat brush size 12. Just you do it as I am doing. How to paint this snowy and misty mountain video link I will give the end card and description box, and please you check it. Before that, if you are the beginner, try to learn the basics, how to blend and how to make easy trees. All the videos are available for beginners in my YouTube channel. This all will help you to improve your skills in paintings. The final step says whatever the objects are on the land all will reflect in the water when we are looking from the opposite side. So I am giving the reflecting the big tree reflecting in the water and all the trees and like greenish effect. I am giving like this. And day by day, I will upload the Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. This kind of videos will help the beginners lot and improve your skills in paintings. Keep watching, keep following, and more importantly, keep practicing. Next step, I am going to create a brick tree. So using moist round brush size 12 and picking some titanium white to create the outline of stem and branches of brick tree. After finishing the outline of the stem and branches of the brick tree, next I am giving black shade to the bottom part of the stem like this. So I am picking little bit of black and I am giving the shade like this to the bottom of the tree. And next step for the leaves, I am using moist filbert brush size 12 and picking crimson red to the first layer of leaves and all the branches. Completely finishing the first layer, next picking a little bit of lemon yellow and give the second layer of leaves to the first layer. Just you do like this as I am doing. Next I am picking little bit of brilliant yellow green to the third layer of leaves. This will give more realistic look. And just you hold the filbert brush like 90-degree way and just you give the leaves effect like this. Join with me in my paintings. Feel stress free. Relax and paint. Wonder the magic of colors. Make your life happier without stress and worries. And live long. And now the beautiful landscape scenery is ready with the beautiful mountains, sky, trees, like grass effect, trees and grass and all will reflect in the water, river and a big tree and everything now is ready. I will meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos day by day. Thanks for watching.